Colmar T1000 FSC. One of the distinctive features of this tractor is its ability to move on crawlers or on wheels on the railway. The special wheels located in front and behind the crawlers can be lowered and lifted. This allows the tractor to be an effective tool for repairing railways, as it can carry pieces of rail, tie them to the right place, and immediately lay them. In order to move comfortably off and on the railway, the crawler wheelbase can expand, increasing its width to 9 feet. The tractor can also carry any other cargo thanks to its adjustable center of gravity. The maximum speed of the machine when traveling on the railroad is 25 miles per hour. Letourneau L2350. This loader is by far the largest wheel loader in the world. In general, Letourneau L2350 is used in the mining industry, particularly in the extraction of iron and copper ore. Its 24-foot wide bucket with a capacity of 1,400 cubic feet has a powerful hydraulic system and is capable of lifting up to 72 tons of payload. Under the hood of the vehicle, there's a 2,300 horsepower 16-cylinder diesel engine with a capacity of 65 litres. During an hour of work, it consumes almost 170 litres of fuel, and over a day, more than 4,000 litres. This huge car is not transported to the place of work as a whole. Instead, it's assembled right in the quarry from separate parts. In the operator's cab, there are no rudders or levers, but only 2 joysticks. One of them controls the movement of the loader itself, and the other the bucket. All the other functions, like control of the maximum load mass, the state of all units and mechanisms, time parameters, are all controlled by a special electronic system. Maneuverability of the loader is provided by a powerful hydraulic drive with a working pressure of 240 atmospheres. The Letourneau L2350 chassis is supported by 4 huge wheels, each with a diameter of 13 feet and a width of 6 feet. The maximum speed of the car is about 9 miles per hour. Terex CC 8801. This is a large double crane, which can lift weights up to 3,200 tons in total. It has a wheeled track base for partial movement on the construction site. However, the crane has restrictions when moving on loose soils because of its weight. So to move to other construction sites, it has to be disassembled and reassembled again. The crane can be controlled by several operators, and it has special equipment in the cabin, which allows monitoring and controlling the process of lifting the loads. The boom of the crane can be rotated at a maximum speed of 300 feet per minute. Liebherr T282C. This heavy-duty dump truck, produced by the German company Liebherr, is being produced since 2004. Instead of the traditional instrument panel, the car cab has a display inside. The maximum operational weight of the machine is 600 tons, and the working load capacity is 363 tons. The machine is 50 feet long, 31 feet wide, and 26 feet high. The Liebherr T282C weighs 252 tons. The dump truck moves with a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour, and it has an engine power of 3,650 horsepower, or 3,500 horsepower depending on the selected modification. Gradall FA fire apparatus. This is a vehicle to help firefighters. Its fire hose rotates by 110 degrees and rises to a height of 115 feet. When folded, it's 3 times smaller, which is convenient for transportation. The main purpose of the machine is to provide water under pressure to extinguish fires on the roof of a burning building and through the roof. It goes directly into the source of the fire thanks to a piercing nozzle at the end of the boom, breaking through the roof. From the same nozzle, the water is supplied under pressure through 50 holes at an effective spray angle of 180 degrees. The nozzle can also break windows, walls, ceilings, and even reinforce concrete structures and thin metal to get to the fire. The machine is equipped with 4 stabilizers located on the sides. All work can be carried out and controlled remotely by one person. Terex CC9800. This self-propelled machine is designed for loading and unloading operations and is based on the CC8801 crane. This model has the same system of cables, booms, and hook blocks, as well as the CC8801 weighing 3,200 tons. The maximum length of the boom and the jib of the CC9800 is 512 and 394 feet respectively. The machine can be used in a variety of areas, including the petrochemical industry, heavy industry, and energy. The model provides a configuration for the installation of Enercon E126 wind turbines with a capacity of more than 6 megawatts. The load capacity of this machine is 1,600 tons. Caterpillar MES34. This particular machine is a combination of 2 tractors, a driving base from a Cat tractor and a movable base from a digger. The grader excavator is designed for removing the layer of soil and transporting it. For example, this may be required in the preparation of construction sites for buildings, roads, and tunnels when it's necessary to have an even surface on the earth. The digger removes the ground using blades and a chain, dropping the soil into the body of the machine. The soil can easily be poured out at the unloading points. In addition to cutting the ground, the machine has an equalization function. Thanks to its body, the machine plows the ground slightly and evenly distributes it, partially moving it from place to place.